All right, I got the front part of my fairing here. I've taken it off. As you can see, did a little bit of body work here. Got these little patches sanded down. This is just the first pass. I've got a couple of little flags here, some more filling that I likely need to do. But I think I'm gonna lay a layer of primer down before I do that, and then I'll see where my low spots are, my high spots are. It'll all be one consistent color. It'll be easier to see, and we'll be able to go from there. But I got it all initially sanded down as well, so the primer will stick to it a little bit better. I had a couple of show some pictures. It had some pretty good cracks in it from it being laid down, some pretty bad rash. I'll put this Bondo in here. I've had really good luck with this process in the past. There's some more over here from it getting laid down. There's a couple of spots where there were some gouges. So we're gonna keep on plugging on this, and hopefully one day have a garage to work in rather than my kitchen table and my tiny patio. All right guys, so here we have got my paint booth. As you can see, it's my patio that's about 6 feet wide and maybe 12 feet long. Super tight in here. I hung up some plastic that helps block the wind, keep the overspray from going. I had set some up over here and across to make a whole box in before, but there wasn't a whole lot of overspray on that one, so I thought this time I'd just do that. It's quicker, it's easier. Still blocks the wind, still catches the overspray going that way. The wind's kind of blowing that way today anyway. But I've got my cowling up here. I got the first layer of primer put on it. Quite a bit of damage going on here. I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna sand this down. I'm gonna do some body filler on it. And then hit it with another coat of primer and just rinse and repeat until we get it cleaned up how I want it, and then we'll lay some white on it like I got the back. In the meantime, I've got some screw holes here where there's some crappy aftermarket signals put on there. I did get a little bit of a run in it. I don't know if you can really see that too much, but yeah, other than that, it came out okay. I put a pretty thick layer of primer on it, and hopefully I'll be able to sand everything down smooth and get all that body damage put in, and then we'll go from there. All right, so as you guys can see, I got the paint laid down on the fairing, the front fender, and then the back panels. I did clean up some damage on the back panels. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I posted a couple of things about that. The lawn crew that comes through my apartment complex essentially sandblasted my paint job off. I was able to just wet sand it down, lay down another layer of paint, some clear coat, and it looks great, so I'm really excited about it. I still got to figure out a situation for my tank. I'll probably have to order a new one. That new one that I got is pretty bashed up. But once I get that in, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, I'll be able to get it painted. And then my bike will be all put together. I'll be ready to go for a ride. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress on that. I'm really excited about it. We're really excited to finally have a bike to cruise around on. It's gonna be a good thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry, went into autopilot there for a second.
I'll keep you guys posted. I'll catch you again soon. See ya.